Hello everybody, I'm going to do a video here. I want to start putting some vices up here, some of those Irwin ones that you might have seen for about 20-30 bucks. And so I just want to reinforce this 2x4 and such here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in this block of wood like I did over there. And I want to show you these fasteners here that I love. They're GRK fasteners. They're actually cabinet screws. They're 2.5. And what I like about these is the heads. You can see the heads there. Okay. I like that because it really bonds the thing. It tightens it up. It forces it to be as tight as possible there. So we're just going to go ahead. And the other thing about GRK, you never have to worry about the bits. Buy an extra bit, star bits, because it comes with one in the package. So let's just go ahead here. I'm using 2.5. I found those to be the most universal. I could go to 3, I could go to 2, 2.25, but I just like the 2.5s here. So that's what we're going with here, and it'll be plenty strong. So I'm just going to just size it up here real quick. I don't want to put in more screws than I need. So we're just going to go right about there and hit it up there, corner. Okay. All right. So I like you don't have to, but you can, when you're doing things on the side of a project or a piece, I find that sometimes, even though these are star bits, sometimes I drop a screw. Put it lightly, let's just say I drop a screw and then waste time looking for it. So I pre-drill a little bit so it kind of doesn't happen. And there we go, it's already pretty tight. I mean, it can move a little bit, but that thing is real tight. So I'm going to go ahead on the opposite end here, just so that I have it all set. And just see the magic. Now I'm on the lowest setting. I'm on 1. I'm on the 1, and I'm on 1 over here, so I'm not really using the full power of this hammer drill right now, because I don't need to. Why do something you don't need to? Cause injury, damage, risk, etc. So, but let's just go ahead. Let's ramp it up a little bit just to show you that these fasteners can handle it. And there we go. Now we're in there. We can do the other side here. And just keep going down your line. The way that I've constructed this, I have one 2x4 going all the way across on its side. So. Okay, that's not going anywhere, but I'll do one more for good measure over here, further down, so that it has all that strength that we're going to need. You want to be careful though, because you will eventually put some fasteners in here for your vise as well. So just want to be careful with your plan. Always have a plan. There we go. I just love it. I love it. So there we go. Got a little bit of slippage there. This will help me with my flag project, because sometimes the cuts are just not perfect on that miter saw.